Hi team, I welcome you all once again on AIML with Kapil Pawar show. And today we are going to discuss about the what IDE I use for making the code in the Python language. So I'll just go and introduce you with the Atom IDE. So it's nothing else but you just need to write the atom.io and hit the enter. And you'll get up with this page. Okay, so based on your operating system it will automatically detect which operating system you're working on, and the only thing which you need to do is you need to click here and it will start downloading the Atom. I have already downloaded for my use, so let's go and let's start installing the Atom. So it's expanding the Atom zip, it's unzipping the files, so it's very easy for installing in the Mac part. So ideally, Atom can be used for any of the programming language which you are working upon. But here our main purpose is to use it for the Python development and even for the data science. So yeah, now we have the Atom ready with us. And for the very first time when we are opening it, let's see that how it shows what is the welcome page and all, and then how to set it up. So for the first time, due to the security reasons in this system, it's just checking that like is it a valid thing or not. So I'll show you that it will give you this kind of prompt. So we can say yeah, we can open, we trust this app. So yeah, then only I think, yeah, this is the first time Atom screen which is now about to be open. Let's see. Yeah, so this is the welcome screen for the Atom. Now let's go and let's start setting it up. So what is our main purpose? Our main purpose is all regarding the Python. So we'll try to install all the packages which are really essential for the Python part. Now what we'll do, we'll say that this is for the opening the project. So once if you are working on some of the project, you can directly click here. This is the version control for Git or GitHub. If you have some GitHub page, if you have some private Git, you can even upload it there. This is collaborate in real time. That's the thing. Then installing any package, you need to click here. For theme, for styles, you can click here. Heck on the int script bins, it's even an open source. If you want, you can just make some customizable changes there. Then here is the add a snapshot. This I'll let you know while that how to speed up your Python typing part. And then this is the keyboard setup for there. So for the purpose, we'll start and we'll go for the installing package, and let's open installer. So you'll see that it has already some of the parts which are mentioned here, and then you can just start writing typing for the parts. So my first part will be regarding that Python. So I'm just searching that the packages of the Python. And yeah, super. The very first package which come for the IDE Python, which this we need to run. Then the Atom run Python. This again we need to get. Then Python Black. Then Python tool. After this we go with the build Python. If you are the person who is related with the testing and all, then you can just install this package also, which is the Atom PyTest. Then we can go with the Python indent. Then we'll install the Python docstring. We'll install the Python linter. can also install this dockable Python. Yeah, after this all, if you see that once the things are installed, they will look like this, and if they are installing, they will give you the prompt like this. So we'll wait the time it's getting installed. So once you install some of the Python packages, then the moment when you are on your main package folder, it will automatically start telling you the next feature which are related with the at this Python only. So there is one more thing which we call as a hydrogen, which we need to install. So what this hydrogen part does is, yeah, the first one, it will help you in running the line by line code as you are running in the Jupyter notebook right now. So we'll install this part as well. Also, like the moment you are getting some update of your packages, you can just come to this tab and you can install this thing. And anyway, these things are available with the settings. So if you are using some Windows, then you have the Shift Control and P. For Mac, it's a Shift Command and P. So moment you are clicking this, you will find this part. Correct? So you can just go and type the settings. So you can view core, open editor. You can change themes. So we all have all such types of shortcuts here. So whichever the path you want to follow, you can just go and you can follow that particular path. Right, so this is what is my mail page. No, I don't send my users data there. Just for the purpose, let's just see that open the git page, open a project. So for here I'll just make a new folder which we call as a YAML okay. So this is what is my main folder. So we will just create this folder and you can see that now we have this folder available here. And also just for the things, what we can do is we can go to the installer package and install one more good thing. Yeah, I'll go to the open installer package and we'll go for the file icon package. So we'll go with the file icon package and let's see that what are the types of file icon they are providing. This seems to be the black and white file icon. So file icon, let's go here and let's see the types of stuff different. Let's go back to the install. Yep. So we are gonna install this part. So you can install this logo, style icons, and UI tweaks to mirror the VS Code. So this will bring out the name of like it will create a small icon in front of your file images which you are making, and with a glance of seeing it, you will get to know that what type of file it is. It's related with your HTML, related with your JS, related with your Python. So those all things or glimpse you'll get it from there. So I'll just make it disable, and we'll enable this part. Yeah, I'll just make a new file up there, and this is my like hello world.py. Install dependencies. So whatever the things it will be keep on requiring, it will be keep on doing in the parallel thing. What we can do here is like print hello world. And now as we have installed that hydrogen part, you can just click your shift and enter key. It will say that hydrogen kernel has updated, and these are the languages which it has grasped from the system. Now the moment you are running it the next time, it will show you the output like this. Okay, so at the same glance you can see the output. If you want, like, we can increase the size of the code so you can see it clearly. I'll just close this tab of the welcome guide, and yeah, again we can go up and you can hit enter so you can see that. So for these things it is doing, and also like the way we say that we bring you the file names. So look here, it's brought you out the Python icon there. Install dependencies, yes. So now, like, while you will be keep on running, it will ask you a lot of things to be installed, because there are the several dependencies which will be required. So only thing which you need to do is yes, yes, yes. If you encounter with any other problem, if you see some red dialog box instead of this blue, it means it's telling you about the type of error. You just need to share it with me in the comment box. I'll let you know that how to get rid of it. And as just previous, if you see the green color, it means it's done and it's clear. Now let's just see the another part which called as a diff add function, where I'm passing a comma b, and my output will be return a plus b. Now what happens is, like, we need to enter the doc part. So I'll just click here and I'll see that add the Python doc string. Add the Python doc string, correct? So look, it automatically added this piece of chunk. So now what we need to do is we can just provide here a short description, a bit longer description, the argument which we are bringing in, then what it is returning, and if it is not, then what the expect part will give you out. So it has some predefined setup available for it. So this all things, like, you can use it while working there. And thing which we said about the Git, so I'll make a separate video about that, because adding the Git is important. But if you want, you can just see here in the down corner, you have the Git option here in the right side bottom part. So you can just click on this Git, and you can connect your Git login with whatever the GitLab or GitHub you want, and then you can just handle your projects from here only. So whatever the line you are doing, you can pull, push, whatever the activity you want, the difference, everything you can handle from your Atom notebook. So that's all for the day today. So other than this, that the color, indent, all those things will be taken care by all the installed packages. So now this is pretty good to go. It's really a lightweight and can be used, and it's really very handy for doing all such things. So I hope you people will like this video. If you like this, please share with your friends, and be connected. And from now onwards, we are going to use this Atom ID. So I hope that you will be ready for this install and be ready for the next parts. Thank you. Bye bye.